If you've ever applied a promo code on Temu and felt like it did nothing, you're not alone. A lot of people think Temu promo codes are broken or expired, but in most cases, the code is fine. The problem is how it's being applied. Let me walk you through the right way to apply a promo code on Temu, step by step. Before we start, I've put the working Temu promo code right here on the screen, and it's also in the description and pinned comment, along with a couple of backup codes that are still active. Now here's where most people go wrong. They open the Temu app, add items to their cart, go to checkout, paste the promo code, and expect the discount to apply automatically. On Temu, that's not enough. Applying a promo code and activating a promo code are two different things. Here's the correct process. Step 1. Activate the promo code first. Before doing anything inside the app, click the first link in the description. This step is important because it links the promo code directly to your Temu account. Once the page opens, you'll see a QR code on your screen. If you're on your phone, scan the QR code. If you're on desktop, you'll see a manual code you can enter instead. Either option activates the promo code. Step 2. Confirm it's added to your account. Now open the Temu app, go to your profile and tap on coupons. You should see the promo code listed there. If you don't see it, stop and repeat step 1 using the link again. Step 3. Apply it at checkout. Add items to your cart like normal. When you reach checkout, look for available coupons. Tap it. Now manually select the promo code you activated. The moment you select it, your total should drop. This is the step most people miss. If you don't select it, Temu ignores the promo code, even though it looks active. Step 4. Double check before paying. Before placing your order, make sure the promo code is selected, the discount is clearly visible in the total. If both are there, you're good. That's the right way to apply a promo code on Temu. If it didn't work for you before, try again using the code on screen and follow these steps exactly. And if this finally fixes it for you, comment how much you saved. I want to know if it worked.